how to connect Goat Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Goat Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Goat application on your device. Over here, you will see the Connect Wallet option in the middle of the screen. Tap on it. After that, a menu with different wallet options will appear. You can connect any wallet you prefer, such as Telegram Wallet, Tonekeeper, My Ton Wallet, TonHub, D Wallet, or others like Ox, Bitcat Wallet, or SafePo. Then, for this example, I am going to connect my Telegram wallet. To do this, tap on Open Wallet in Telegram under the Telegram option and wait for the connection prompt to appear. Over here, you will see that Goat wants to connect to TonSpace along with your Telegram wallet address. Tap on Connect Wallet to complete the process. Make sure you already have a Telegram wallet set up. If you don't, you can use another wallet you already have. So that's how you can connect your Goat wallet. That's all for this video.